In this lecture, we are going to see public route and private route concept in our application. Right now, I am in the login page, and if I go to local storage, so here as you can see, we don't have any data. Now let's log in with one of the account. So let me just paste the user email and I'm going to log in. So as you can see, login is successful. And if I go back to local storage, here you can see we got the session. Okay. So now if I go to a new tab, okay, and let's say if I directly go to login page, okay, so let me see if the application is running or not. So, okay. So now if I directly go to login page, so here as you can see, it is still displaying the login page. So this is not correct. If the user session is already there, okay, present in the browser, and if the session is valid, we should not show the login or register page. We need to redirect them to any private page, which in our case is home page. Okay, so this is the home page where we show all the data. So now we need to fix this. So even if I go to register page, so it will show me the register page, which is not correct. Okay, so let's fix this. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code, and inside the source folder, I'll create a new folder and name this as layout. And inside layout, I'm going to create a new file and name this as private layout.tsx. And let's do RAFCE, press tab, and here let me just change this to private layout. Okay, and we are going to pass the children. Okay, we are going to destructure the children, and here we are going to pass this inside the div. So here I'm going to say colon children, that is equal to react node. Okay, so as we are using TSX, so this is a TypeScript validation. So now this private layout is completed. Now let's create one more for public. So let's say public layout.tsx, and here I'm going to do RAFCE, press tab, and let's type public layout. Okay, save this, and here I'm going to restructure children. Okay, so this is it, and yes, we are passing the children inside the div. Okay, now let's go to app.jsx. Okay, app.tsx, and here we are going to wrap this home page. Oh, sorry, we are going to wrap this login page inside the public route. So let's do it. So public layout. Okay, and this is auto imported, and let's fix this. So inside public layout we have the login, and similarly we need the register. Okay, so public layout, and here, okay, we are going to close this. So public layout is done. Now home page is private. Okay, so this should be inside a private layout. So let's add a private layout. Okay, let's fix this, and this is auto imported. So this is done now. Now let's create the logic. So inside the public layout, here I'm going to say use effect. Okay, let's take a use effect. Okay, and here I'm going to take a condition that if local storage, okay, if local storage dot get item, okay, get item, and we need the token here. So let's go to the local storage, and this is the token. So let's copy this key. Okay, So let me just copy this key, and here I'm going to paste it. So if this is present, okay, so if this is present, then we are going to navigate to home page. Okay, so here we need const navigate equals to use navigate, and use navigate we want it from React Router DOM. And if this is true, then we are going to navigate to home page. Okay, and this is a use effect. So here, yeah, I'm going to say, so this is done. Now let's check it in the browser. So let me just log out, and the data is gone. And if I paste the user and if I log in, so now it is login successful. As you can see, we have the session data. And now if I go to login page, okay, so let's try it here, /login. So now it is redirecting me to the home page, which is correct. And similarly, if I try with register, so it is taking me to the home page. Okay, and if I log out, okay, if I log out, then it should take me to the login page, which is correct. Now we can access the register page. So this is correct. Okay, so this was all about private and public layout. Okay, so this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next.